Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So I'm back with yet another video of my puja lookbook and it's day 2 and I'm going to do this Ashtami look for you guys. But before that, if you're new here, then hi, I am Duti. I create beauty and lifestyle related content here on my channel, and if that's what you like watching, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And with that, let's quickly dive into the video. As you can see, I'm done with my eyebrows and one eye. Now let me quickly zoom in the camera and let's do the other eye together. So for today's eye look, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette right here. This Beauty, my Makeup Revolution Patricia White eyeshadow palette, and let me open this palette and show you guys. And it comes with a huge mirror, as you can see. Look at these colors. First, I'm taking the shade called Allspice from the palette with the help of my Cuffs and Lashes Dome brush, and I'm gonna applying it on the outer corner of my eyes on tapping motion and dragging it slightly on my crease. And then I'm gonna blend it out. Next, I'm taking the shade called Queen from the palette and I'm applying it using my Cuffs and Lashes smudger brush, and I'm just slightly smudging the crease color. Next, I'm using this shade called Ocean Deep and I'm picking the color with my finger and I'm applying it all over my lid. And using this small pencil brush, I'm just blending the blue shadow with the crease color so that there is no harsh edges. So the next step and the last step for our eye makeup is gonna be super jugaadu thing. So if you guys have seen my last video, you guys must know I've been crying about not having an eyebrow pencil and eyebrow product. So I forgot that I have an eyebrow product, and this is the Maybelline eyebrow pencil. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my eyes using this eyebrow pencil. I don't want to use any black or blue or green eyeliner today, and I don't own any grayish or any brownish eyeliner, so I decided to go with this. And as you can see on this eyes, it turned out so good, so I'm gonna do the same thing in this eye. As it's a eyebrow pencil, so it's not gonna be super cream or it's not gonna glide on so smoothly. There's gonna be a slight tugging and pulling, but it's okay. I mean, look at the result. It looks so gorgeous. And yeah, with that we are done with our eye makeup. So moving on to the face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Prime Primer for primer today, and I'm taking it just a little bit, warming it up and applying it on my face. So before going in with the foundation, what I'm gonna do is, today is so hot, the weather is so hot today. So to make my makeup a little bit long lasting, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of powder on my brush, dusting off the excess. I'm gonna slightly dust it off all over my face. I'm just pressing the powder so that it absorbed onto my skin very nicely. What this gonna do is it's gonna give my skin a little bit more mattifying effect and make my makeup a little bit more long lasting. So for the foundation today, I'm going to mix these two foundations. For the one is Lakme 95 foundation and the other one is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So the Lakme one is slightly dark for my skin tone and the Maybelline one is lighter for my skin tone. So I'm gonna mix these two foundation and apply it all over my face. I'm mixing in the two foundations and applying it all over my face. As you can see, it matches with my skin tone very nicely. Now to blend the foundation, I am going to use this Capson Lashes Deep Angled Flat Foundation brush. Don't forget your ears and neck area. You can see how beautifully the foundations melted into my skin, and this brush is so good. It blends on your foundation so nicely and so effortlessly. Now for the concealer, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna use any concealer today. Yes, you heard it right. What I'm gonna do is to highlight my under eye area and other high points of my face. I'm going to use this foundation again, which is slightly lighter for my skin tone, as a concealer. This is a great way to use foundation which doesn't match your skin tone, and you can never throw out product which doesn't suit your skin tone or doesn't match with your skin tone, doesn't suit your skin. You can always make a way to use that product up. After all, you spend your money on that, so never ever throw a product which you know doesn't suit your face or doesn't match with your skin tone. There is always a way to use that up, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on that. So I've just applied the foundation on the areas where I usually highlight. Now with the help of my Blue Heaven sponge, I'm going to blend it out. You can see how beautifully that melts into the skin and gives it a highlighting effect. For my under eye area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets absorbed into my skin a little bit and it gives me more coverage. So I'm going to leave it like that for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm going to blend it out. See how beautifully it blends into my skin and give it a concealer like effect and conceal my under eyes completely. I mean, I love this trick whenever I am out of concealer or whenever I buy a foundation that is lighter for my skin tone. I always use it as a concealer, and I like this hack, and let me know in the comment box if you are gonna try this hack too. Moving on to the powder, today I'm going to use this Mars Translucent powder, and it's in the shade Matte Translucent. If I'm not wrong, yes, it's in the shade Matte Translucent. But for my under eyes, to give it more coverage, I'm going to use the powder shade, the banana shade of this Wet n Wild contour palette. And take the banana shade on my powder brush and just slightly running the blender so that there is no creasing, and tapping the product. And I'm applying this powder wherever I conceal. Now for the rest of my face, I'm taking the Mars Translucent powder and I'm slightly dusting off the powder all over my face. Okay, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the same Allspice shade on my lower lash line first. And then I'm using the shade Queen to blend that shade out. Again using the same eyebrow pencil on my lower lash line to give it some depth. And using a small pencil brush, I'm applying the blue shade just on the front portion of my lower lash line. Yeah, and that's it for the lower lash line. So I applied some mascara and put on this Falsies of Camera, and this is in the variant CS03 from Calalis Mink Lashes. And now to chisel out my face a little bit, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour palette, and with the Wet n Wild contour brush, I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, so done with bronzing my face, and today I'm going for a very bronzy highlighting kind of look. I'm not gonna apply any blush today, so next I'm gonna apply some highlighter. So for highlighter today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and it's in the shade Precious Petal. With a slightly fluffy brush like this, I'm just taking the highlighter and applying it on the high points of my cheek. You can see how beautiful this mascara looks. It gives you a wet skin kind of effect. And today I'm going to drench myself in highlighter. I'm going to apply a lot of highlighter on my face. In blending it in, I see a lot of people just applying highlighter like this, and that's it. They just left it like that and it looks like a streak of highlighter, just a line of highlighter. But blending your highlighter is very important. It gives a, I mean, no one can tell where you started applying it and where it ends. It gives an overall glow which I like. As I said, I'm gonna use the highlighter all over my face today. I'm also gonna apply my brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so lastly for my lips today, I'm going to use this combo right here, this Maybelline Color Jolt lipstick in the shade Evocative Mauve and this Sugar Lip Gloss in the shade Penelope Pit Stop, and I'm gonna just apply it on my lips right now.
আমি প্রথম দেখে পাগল হইলাম, মন তো আর মানে না, কাছে আইসো আইসো রে বন্ধু প্রেমের কারণে।
And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you guys and you enjoyed watching this video. And if you are planning to do any of my puja look, then don't forget to tag me on your pictures on Instagram and also follow me there. I will put the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And for now, like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye.
খবরে বন্ধু তো